So this time when I searched up his name, it's this Lego Harrier jump jet. While I was scrolling, I saw this, and then I said to myself, this has to be Harrier jump jet. So I click on another image, and it also says it's also a Harrier jump jet because it has all the components, and it now imagines the Harrier jump jet by Lego. But this also also when also when I put Tom, when I put Tom had the search it, and I also scrolled. When I type it set, and I didn't see anything unusual. Well, only marks X.
Because of the trouble you caused, the rest of the passengers are demanding that the train be stopped at the next terminal. We cannot stop.
Well, I didn't find any local center based off the F-14 Tomcat, but when I put the when I place F-15 in the search engine, I also see no search results of a set. But when I clicked on Lego Find the Jets, I saw something, and I actually saw this Lego set right here, which is called Lego Creator Set 31039, and it's called the F-13 Lego set. And just by the looks of it makes me want to buy this set because I really want to see what it does. Also, this is actually just what I want. Well, anyways, guys, that's all I just gotta say for today. So,